Hello, friends. It's story time with Zulu Mama. Today's story is a tale of three sisters. Sanibona bangani, ingabe niyathanda ukufunda nokulalela izindaba ezithokozisayo. Namhlanje nginiphathele indatshana yamantombazanyana amathathu andawonye ayethandana kakhulu futhi ehlezi endawonye bezwana bengabangani abalamanayo. Ngabe senikulungele ukuzwa indatshana yethu? Masiqale indaba yethu. Usihle intombazanyana engumagcino kubo eneminyaka emihlanu ethanda ukuzidlalela ngamathoyizi ayo. uZandi uNkombose uneminyaka eli10 uthanda ukudansa iballerina. Kanti-ke uThando yena umafungwase uneminyaka eyi15 uthanda umculo kanye nokudlala i-violin. Lezelamani-ke zazisithanda isikole. Babekuthokozela ukuhamba ngebhasi kanye nokudlala nabangani babo ngesikhathi besalinde ibhasi eliya esikoleni. Babethandana kakhulu, kodwa-ke kwakuba nezikhathi lapho bengaboni khona ngasolinye. Bahlale bangakhulumisani, kodwa babeba nesizungu kakhulu, bakhumbule ukudlala ndawonye. Ngoba babekuthokozela ukudlala nabangani, ingxabano yabo yayisheshe idlule, babuyisane bese beqhubeka nokuthokozela ukudlala nabangani babo. Babekuthokozela nokudlala bodwa ngaphakathi endlini ekhaya labo, ikakhulukazi lapho ilanga selishonile. Bebenza imidanso abayithandayo ngamunye ngamunye. Ngaphandle-ke komdanso, babekuthokozela ukufunda izincwadi ezithokozisayo. Njalo makuphela usuku bebehlala ndawonye bafunde izincwadi zabo abazithathe kumtapo wolwazi esikoleni ababefunda kuso. Ngiyathemba niyithokozele indatshana yethu yanamhlanje. Sisterhood is more than just being related. It's about love, support, and lifelong friendships. This story is all about love, lessons, and unbreakable bonds. A bond between siblings, sisters, and brothers. Share this video if you have a special memory with your siblings, a funny, heartwarming, or unforgettable moment. And if you love your siblings, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more heartwarming stories.